Creating and dropping tables in phpmyadmin. This tutorial will show you how to add and remove tables to and from a database in phpmyadmin. For this tutorial, we are connected to phpmyadmin using the root MySQL user. When connecting as another user, some options may be disabled dependent on the server's configuration and the specific privileges granted to the user by the system administrator. On systems configured to use Plesk, the master MySQL user is the admin user instead of root. On Linux-based systems, database names, database users, table names, and column names are case-sensitive, whereas on Windows-based systems, these names are case-insensitive. First, let's select a database. Click the database name. Other users will only see and be able to access databases that they have been given the privileges to access. Many systems are configured with control panel software installed used to delegate the administration of the accounts on the server. Whenever possible, it is recommended that you use the controls within the control panel itself for certain tasks, such as the creation of databases, creation of users, management of user privileges, etc., instead of phpmyadmin. Performing these tasks outside of the control panel can produce undesirable results in the operation of the control panel software. Let's create a new table. Enter the name for the new table. On Linux-based systems, database names, database users, table names, and column names are case-sensitive, whereas on Windows-based systems, these names are case-insensitive. Enter the number of fields. Click the Go button. Enter the field name. Select the type. There are many different data types that can be chosen for the field. Auto-incrementing integers are commonly used as primary keys for tables. Enter the length and values. This defines the maximum number of characters allowed for values stored. If using a enum or set data type, this is used to enter the values available. Select the collation or character set. Leaving this blank will use the server default. Select any attributes, if any. Select null or not. Enter a default value, if any. Select the extra value, if any. Click the appropriate radio button to select the field to be either the primary key, an indexed value, or a unique field, if applicable. Now let's enter the values for our second field. Select the storage engine. This is the type of table used by MySQL for storing the data. The most common are myISAM and InnoDB. Click the Save button. If we wanted to, we could continue to add fields here or add indexes here. Indexes are used for searching. Click the database name. Here we could create another table. Let's drop the table. Click the drop icon. Click the OK button. Congratulations! You now know how to add and remove tables to and from a database in phpmyadmin.